Welcome back to Mega Auto World. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the coming year, the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Toyota has taken its best-selling crossover and pushed it even further, giving us a fresher design, smarter tech, better efficiency, and a driving experience that feels more premium than ever. If you're thinking about upgrading your daily ride, stay tuned, because this could be the one. Let's start with the design. The 2026 RAV4 arrives with a bolder, more modern look. Toyota sharpened the front fascia, tightened the body lines, and added new LED lighting signatures that give the SUV a stronger road presence. The updated grille is wider and more athletic, and depending on the trim you choose, you get sporty gloss black accents or a rugged off-road inspired finish. The wheel options go all the way up to 19 inches, and the new color choices, especially the dual-tone combinations, make the RAV4 look more stylish than ever. Moving inside, Toyota has clearly listened to their customers. The 2026 RAV4 features upgraded materials, refined textures, and a redesigned dashboard that feels more open and more tech-focused. The centerpiece is the larger high-resolution touchscreen, smooth, responsive, and compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster gets new customization options, and the ambient lighting system gives the cabin a more upscale feel during nighttime drives. Toyota also boosted sound insulation, so you'll notice a quieter, more comfortable cabin whether you're cruising the city or hitting the highway. Under the hood, the RAV4 continues to focus on efficiency and performance. Toyota is expected to refine its hybrid powertrain, giving you more responsive acceleration and even better fuel economy. For drivers who love exploring the outdoors, the AWD system gets smarter torque distribution and improved traction control, especially on loose or slippery surfaces. The suspension tuning has also been adjusted for a smoother ride, making the 2026 model feel more composed than ever. Technology and safety are big highlights this year. The latest Toyota Safety Sense package brings improved lane-keeping assistance, smarter adaptive cruise control, and enhanced pedestrian and cyclist detection. There's also a new 360-degree camera system with sharper resolution, plus optional features like a digital rearview mirror and advanced parking assistance. Toyota didn't forget the convenience features either. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, a panoramic sunroof, and a power liftgate all help make life easier on the go. In terms of practicality, the 2026 RAV4 still shines. You get plenty of cargo space, fold flat rear seats, and clever storage compartments for daily essentials. Whether you're taking a road trip, commuting, or handling weekend errands, the RAV4 continues to be one of the most versatile SUVs in its class. So, will the 2026 Toyota RAV4 live up to the hype? If you're looking for reliability, modern tech, efficiency, and a refreshed design, it's definitely a strong contender. Toyota has taken a proven formula and made it even better. Thanks for watching Mega Auto World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews and automotive updates. See you in the next one.